Stand up right now. Let's go, let's go. 1, 3. Oh, God.
You fart. A deal of the deal. A deal of the deal. Those are fantastic.
Show us yours now.
Shut up. Mine are way too expensive.
What? What's that? How old are you? How old do I think you are? You don't want to do that. I think you're 27 and your tits are 3. Oh, my question to you should have been asking for your number. Security?